Are you looking for an AI tool to turn a black and white photo into a color photo? In this edition of Answering Burning Questions from Google Search, we are going to take a look at AI-powered tools we found on the web that can colorize photos. But before we do, make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss anything. We will cover mobile AI tools that can colorize photos in a future video. AI colorization tools are applications that use artificial intelligence to add realistic colors to black and white images. They can be used to restore old photos, enhance historical images, or create artistic effects. Let's take a look at some of the best AI colorization tools available online and compare their features, performance, and pricing. Here are some of the most popular ones. Colorchinch. This is a powerful online photo editor that also offers AI colorization. You can upload your image and choose from 21+ color filters or adjust the render factor to fine-tune the result. I couldn't get it to work for free for colorizing my photo, so I didn't use it. Colorchinch has a free plan that allows you to download one HD image per month, and a paid plan that gives you more credits and features. Palette.fm. This is a simple and fast online AI colorizer that does not require any sign-up, and this is the one I found easiest to use. I used it to colorize the picture of the cat you see in the video. You can upload your image and see the result in seconds. You can also choose from different color styles, such as vintage, sepia, or grayscale. It reminds me of using Instagram. Palette.fm has a free plan that allows you to download one HD image per month, and a paid plan that gives you more credits and features. Vance AI. This is an online AI platform that offers various image enhancement tools, including AI colorization. It did a similar job as Palette.fm but didn't have all the different filters to choose from. You can upload your image and see the result in seconds. You can also adjust the saturation, brightness, contrast, and sharpness of your colorized image. Vance AI has a free plan that allows you to process up to 5 images per month, and a paid plan that gives you more credits and features. HotPot AI. This is an online AI platform that offers various image editing tools, including AI colorization. You can upload your image and see the result in seconds. You can also choose from different color styles, such as natural, vivid, or artistic. HotPot AI has a free plan that allows you to process up to 10 images per month, and a paid plan that gives you more credits and features. AI colorization tools are amazing applications that can bring new life to your old or black and white photos. They can also help you create stunning artworks or historical recreations with realistic colors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.